4 times over the last month that coronavirus is a very serious problem in India. After I tweeted it, the Prime Minister made 1 or 2 sort of comments about it. आर्थिक सुनामी आने वाली है। कोविड से पहले मैं कह रहा था और अब मैं कह रहा हूं कि 100% आर्थिक सुनामी आ रही है और मैं सरकार से कह रहा हूं, हर रोज कह रहा हूं कि आप प्रिपरेशन करना शुरू कर दीजिए।
आपको मालूम होगा कि कोरोना वायरस को WHO ने पैंडेमिक या महामारी घोषित कर दिया है। इसका मतलब है कि हम सबको बहुत सावधान और सतर्क रहना पड़ेगा। ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, मगर इनके करने से आप इस बीमारी से बच सकते हैं और हम अपने देश में इस बीमारी को फैलने से रोक सकते हैं।
Treat the safety and health of our fellows as our highest priority. As a result, we are initiating new operational protocols effective immediately. Now is the time for us to come together as a nation and as a people to help one another in this absolutely challenging moment. Together we are stronger, but sometimes we help each other better by staying apart.
Saying it again and again and again, nobody is listening to me. I am sorry to say, our people are going to go through unimaginable pain in the next 6 months. The Indian government is absolutely refusing to accept that there is a problem. And so what I am proposing is that the Indian government clearly tells the Indian people that, listen, we have a problem, this is the scale of the problem, and we need to resolve this problem, and this is how we're going to resolve this problem. None of that is happening.
India currently is one of the lowest testing rates in the world at 3 per million, while the rate in other countries like South Korea is over 4,000 per million and the US is at 42 per million.
Citizens have also complained about the condition of the bathrooms and also that 6 to 7 of them are stuffed in one room instead of being isolated and given one room per patient. Additionally, they've also complained that the number of doctors are far fewer than the number of patients in these centers.
पूरी दुनिया आजकल नमस्ते की आदत डाल रही है। अगर किसी कारण से हमने ये आदत छोड़ दी है तो हम भी हाथ मिलाने के बजाय इस आदत को फिर से डालने का भी मैं समझता ये उत्तम समय है। नमस्ते करके ही एक दूसरे को ग्रीट करना चाहिए।